Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stabilize video in VN Video Editor. So if you got shaky videos that ruin your content, this tutorial you'll learn how you can stabilize your footage using VN Video Editor. Because some smooth, stable videos are essential for keeping your audience engaged, whether you are creating vlogs, cinematic footage, or social media content. So this video will be helpful for you to make smooth content. So let's just launch the VN Video Editor, and now you can just tap on the plus icon and tap on new project, then just choose the video base option, and here you can just select the videos that you want to edit. Okay, so here I've already opened the video. This is a video that I want to edit or stabilize. So unfortunately in VN Video Editor there is no built-in stabilizer feature yet. So I'm going to show you another workaround to make the video smoother. So what you need to do is just adjust the speed of the video. You can click on the video in here and find the speed option. Click on the curve and choose custom. And now what you need to do is just drop the speed in here. Drop each dot so that the video will be slowed down to extent that it no longer looks shaky. So you can adjust it to how you prefer. You can also add more more dots if you want to. You can preview first before finish it. You can see that the video is now looks a bit better, not shaky anymore. So I hope this workaround, this simple trick will be helpful for you to stabilize your video. When you're done, you can click on a check icon and you can just see once again the result, and you can tap on this arrow up to save the video. So guys, that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you, and if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. You can leave a comment if you still have question, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.